Ugh, napkins. Who knew you needed to think about napkins for your wedding reception? Well, don't worry. I'm gonna show you 5 simple ways to take care of those napkins. If you marry into a crazy family like I did, the napkins are most likely gonna end up on your head by the end of the night. But before that happens, let's make sure they look good. The tools for this one, napkins. We're not gonna go into the sizes of napkins, because no one really cares. Size doesn't matter. This first napkin fold is called the angled pocket. Take your napkin, flip it over to the reverse side, then fold it in half, fold to the left, then take the upper layer, fold it down this way. I like a double pocket because I'll show you in a minute why we do that. And you'll take this next layer and nestle it in here so there's a little bit of a double angle there. Then gently flip it over and fold each side into that. To flip over. And then these pockets are perfect for maybe a menu card and some silverware. Just like that. This next fold's called the bow tie. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you flip over your napkin again and do an angle fold and rotate it. Fold the bottom edge up, then the top edge down. Just kind of fold this in, just like so. Next, you want to angle fold these 2 sides into the center. And hopefully you have some napkin rings or some ribbon would be good too. Just feed this through. Kind of zhuzh it a little bit. I like to flip it over here. Fluff it up a little for a nice, sweet bow to put on your plate. This next one's called the lover's knot. It's very similar to the bow tie. First step you'll take is to diagonal fold. Then fold this side up, fold this down again, and then fold down the top edge like that. And then carefully twist it into a nice loose knot. You definitely want your guests to be able to unknot this and actually use it as a napkin. Give it a little zhuzh, just like that. This next fold is called the pyramid fold. You're gonna diagonally fold, then diagonally fold into that same point. Flip this over, and then fold in half, and there you go. Super easy one. This last fold is called the square knot, and it's probably the most complicated, but it's really modern and interesting, and I want to share it. So first, you're going to fold in just a little bit on this side, a little bit on this side, enough that you can flip it into thirds, just like that, and then fold this in. Next, split it in half and fold it towards you. Then take this other one and flip it under. So now you have a corner. Next, take the left side and fold that under at an angle. This is still on top. So now you still have a pocket here to put in your remaining leftovers. Just like that. A little modern twist to put that right on a plate. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. We'll be bringing more wedding tips and tricks, and if you're in the St. Louis area, check out our website for upcoming workshops, or just come by and say hi. If you're interested in more DIY, check out our last episode on 3 easy escort cards. Just click right here.